أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. ما لهم به من علم ولا لآبائهم كبرت كلمة تخرج من أفواههم إن يقولون إلا كذبا. Okay. ما لهم به ما stretch it ما لهم. This meme when followed by letter ba, you can see meme sakin followed by ba, then you will have to do ikhfa shafawi, pronouncing it with two haraka gunna, nasalization, like ma lahum. Close your lip little lightly, close them together. Ma lahum bihi bihi. Okay. Min ilmin wala. Min, no extra gunna, idhar. Ain is very important here. Ilmu. This mu, we are pronouncing it with idgham. Idgham means merging. Tanwil will just merge with waw, and we do two haraka gunna there. Ilmu wala. When you say that mu, there should be nasalization. Ilmu wala. La to haraka. Li'abaihim. Li'aba. First you can see this hamza. You have to stretch it for two haraka. Li'a. Then ba. This will be for 4 count. When you see alif mad, waw mad, ya mad, alif saghira, waw saghira, ya saghira, followed by hamza. Can you see this hamza? Then you will stretch it for 4 haraka. There are 2 types of mad, usually 3 type. Another one is madal sila kubra, but you can see commonly there are just 2 where huruf al-mad will be followed by hamza either in the same word or in the separate word. Okay. In both cases you will have to stretch it for 4 count. That mad will be stretched for how many count? 4. 4 means approximately like 2 seconds. Okay. And while stopping, meme sakin will be pronounced like idhar shafawi, not doing extra gunna on it. ما لهم به من علم ولا لآبائهم كبرت كلمة تخرج من أفواههم. كبرت, ra heavier, ta with little hams. كبرت كلمة تخرج. Tanween followed by letter ta. Do that ikhfa. Kalimatan to count gunna. تخرج. Ra again has the upper haraka. You can see dhamma. Make it heavier. تخرج من أفواههم. Idhar again. Afwa, both are lip letters, so be careful to pronounce both clearly. Don't merge them. Afwa, afwa, no. Afwa, give a little time for fa as it has to flow because it is a letter of rikhava. Afwahihim. Af, you have to pronounce af clearly, then wa by encircling your lips, but don't give a space between them. Min afwahihim. Okay, this way it should sound very clear. There are 2 has, pronounce them clearly. كبرت كلمة تخرج من أفواههم إن يقولون إلا كذبا. Can you see the sound? This is the gunna, nasalization. We are doing idgham here. إن يقولون, قولوا, both for 2 to count. إن يقولون إلا كذبا. Illa, not ila. It should be illa with tashdid on it. Put a stress. Illa kadhiba, not kazi. Kazi is wrong. No buzzing sound again. Kadhiba. Kadhiban will become kadhiba. Okay, repeat with me. ما لهم به من علم ولا لآبائهم كبرت كلمة تخرج من أفواههم إن يقولون إلا كذبا.